Yeah, and here I want to give a word to Feder. He's our SEO and IT architect, and he also was in charge of this project. This was a project of guard solutions related to monitoring. So you can, Feder, you can share a few words overall about monitoring and the project you've done. Please share your experience with us.
Yes, thanks, Natalie. Hi, everyone. So I would say that you're totally right when you tell that monitoring is a quite important part of digital infrastructure and digital businesses at all. You also mentioned that it's quite important to identify what actually you want to monitor and how you will do this, because monitoring by itself it's pretty useless. It starts to be a useful thing when you compare your monitoring solution with your business logic, with your business flows. And I would like to share a couple of examples from our experience. The first one, it was like a building of a monitoring solution for SaaS platform based on AWS infrastructure. During this implementation, we defined that cloud infrastructure have a huge impact to the business pricing model at all. Why so? Because in AWS there are multiple services which can be pretty cheap from the beginning, yeah, and start to be quite expensive when you try to scale your infrastructure. And it's not always clear when you start using it and when you even start receive bills with extended costs. Yeah. By default, AWS definitely have their own monitoring solution which can be used. However, it's also not so like clear, and it's quite technique and required some technique background. However, what we would like to have is to create some clear and easy understandable graphs for a business, yeah, with not some kind of huge numbers or some unexpected name conventions or something which you are not even understand what is it. So we actually got information from AWS, parse and distribute it in a specific way to define and to alert businesses when we start spend too much for some specific services. For example, for DynamoDB, for SMS service, which actually quite expensive in AWS, for external traffic, which also is expensive. It's not clear when you see what infrastructure you actually use, because it's a dynamic stuff. It's not something you buy and start use, yeah, and you pay, for example, once per month, because this monitoring and result of analysis of this monitoring start to be a key option for business guys to manage the pricing model in business itself. So that's why it starts to be like a quite interesting and quite important tool for such project.